Good afternoon, Gardening with Ben followers. I hope we're all well. Well, today it's the 1st of February and this is my 28-day February challenge video. So this is my 28-day challenge video, and what it is that I follow quite a few people on Instagram. I follow a channel called My Month on the Plot, and what it is that they've set a different challenge for every single day of February. So we are going to share a video every single day on our YouTube channel and on Facebook, Gardening with Ben, if you're not following me. So make sure you check that out, and we are going to share every single day each task what needs to be done. Let's have a look at the list. So as you can see from this list, it's quite a long list, and we're going to go through each of the little topics every single day. We're going to share our thoughts, what we're thinking, and a bit about it, so make sure you tune in and stay up to date with them. We'll also be doing a podcast on every one of these as well, so make sure you check out our Spotify or any other podcast platform to stay up to date with our topic, and I hope you enjoy this. So as you can see, there's a lot of things what I need to do every single day, so fingers crossed I can complete this challenge. And you can get involved in this list as well. If you are doing it yourself, make sure you tag My Month on the Plot on your Instagram and on Facebook. You don't have to share it as a video, you can share it as a post. And also tag me in it as well, Gardening with Ben, so that I can see these posts as well, which will be good to see. And also you can just comment on these videos in the description below so that I can see what your view on the post is as well. So yeah, get involved and see if we can get up to this 28-day challenge video. Make sure you follow me on YouTube though, Gardening with Ben. Subscribe and click that bell, as if you're watching on Facebook it doesn't always show up on your feed, so I don't want you to miss out on these videos. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and get involved in this challenge. So that's been today's Gardening with Ben video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, keep gardening.